is Ryan from Tech Tips, and today I'm going to be showing you something really cool. So, about a week ago, I ordered this Bitmain AntMiner. It's a miner. If you don't know what that is, it pretty much makes money out of nothing. So, it uses the SHA, I think, 256 algorithm to mine Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash. It costs about 135 Canadian dollars, and let's see it. So, after you get it out of the thing, out of the packaging, like what I'm doing right now, it comes in this bubble wrap. Some of the newer ones come in an electrostatic protective casing. I don't have the power supply yet. That's still coming in the mail. I ordered that one from eBay. So I'll continue the video and show you some profit after a month. So once you get your miner, it's pretty heavy. It's about 8 pounds. And what you want to do is you want to give it a visual inspection first. So you want to look around, see if anything's wrong with it. Look at all the fans, make sure the warranty sticker is still connected. Mine is. When you get this first, is you want to give it a big shake. If you hear some noise, that's okay, but if you hear anything rattling around, you want to send it back to the manufacturer right away. Because that means one of the heat sinks that's glued onto the chips has fallen off, and that's a big problem. Because if you turn it on then it voids your warranty. It's kind of stupid, actually. This machine's actually pretty loud, so I'm going to plug it in really quickly into my computer power supply just for the fans. And you guys can see how loud it is. So I'll be back in a sec. Hey, I'm back. So this is the machine right here. I have it plugged into my power supply from the graphics card just for the fans. The actual boards are not turned on. So let's power it up. It's not that bad at first. Then it actually gets worse. Don't stick your fingers in that, otherwise it can take the fingers right off. So in about a minute or two, it'll ramp up the fans to about 3,000 to 7,000 RPM. And, yeah, it gets very loud. It does 4 terahashes a second, and that's 4 trillion hashes a second. That's a lot, actually. Then it makes about $1 to $3 a day. Then you got to factor in the electricity. For me, the electricity is 12 cents per kilowatt hour, so I'm actually losing money. But I'm at my parents' house, so they don't know that I have this. That's not as loud as it gets. It gets even louder. It'll rank up in about 3, 2, 1. So that's pretty loud, isn't it? So, you want to keep this somewhere that's connected to the internet, because there's a LAN port right there. And pretty much, the fans, it's an immense amount of speed. You can see, it's just pushing my hair away like a hairdryer. It's probably as loud as a hairdryer, actually. So, do not stick fingers in this at all. It's a big problem. That's why they have a grid on the front of them. So I'm going to turn this off. Put the camera back. Thanks for watching 10 Tech Tips. You can subscribe and click the bell icon for future notifications about future videos. And you can also leave a comment down below and give this a thumbs up. Thanks.